Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. This has been a crazy week. I haven't really gotten to spend too much time out here in the shop because work's been just killing me. But you know, it'll ease up here in a little bit. But I wanted to get out in the shop and do something. So I am in the process of putting together a little toolkit for my daughter, and Back Into Service was nice enough to send me this hammer, and I think I'm going to fix it up. I don't think I'm going to do a full-blown super shiny any of that stuff, but I do want to get the rust off of it and clean it up a little bit, and hopefully it won't take too long. So let's get to it. Well, I think that's as far as I'm going to take it. Not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it's a little bit shinier, and I got to see my friends on YouTube, so you know, it's this underneath part that's really difficult to get to. But you know, it's nice. It's a lot better than it was, and it'll go great in her new toolbox. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.